In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Sheet with others. First, open the Google Sheets document you want to share. Make sure it's the exact file you intend to give access to, and that you're signed in with the account that owns the sheet or has permission to share it. Having the file open in your browser keeps everything clear so you can immediately see the sharing panel and confirm the settings you choose. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Share button. It's hard to miss and opens a panel where you control who can access the sheet and what they can do with it. If the button is grayed out, you might not have permission to share, so double-check that you're in the correct account or that the file isn't view-only for you. In the sharing panel, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the sheet with. You can type multiple addresses, separated by commas, and Google will often suggest contacts as you type. Take a moment to verify spelling and domains to avoid sending access to the wrong person. If you have a list of emails, you can paste them in, and Google will parse them automatically. Now choose the permission level for each person: viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer is read only, perfect when you want someone to look but not change anything. Commenter lets them leave comments and suggestions without editing the actual cells, great for feedback and review. Editor gives full editing rights, so they can make changes to the data, formulas, and formatting. Choose the minimum level needed for the task to keep your data safe and organized. Optionally, add a message to notify them about the sheet. This short note appears in the email they receive, and it's a great place to provide context, deadlines, or a quick summary of what you want them to do. A clear message helps recipients understand why they're getting access and what's expected. Finally, click Send to share the sheet and grant access to the selected users. They'll receive an email with a direct link. If someone doesn't see it, ask them to check their spam or look in the Shared with Me section of Google Drive. If you later need to adjust access, reopen the Share panel and update permissions or remove someone entirely. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure sharing for your Google Sheet.